How to unlock your iPhone if forgot password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Help Deck. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can unlock your iPhone if you forgot password. Now, there is a way to unlock your iPhone if you forgot your password, but keep in mind that you need to have access to your Apple ID, which means you need to know which Apple ID was logged in and whether or not you remember the password. And after that, you also want to make sure that all of the data is actually going to get deleted even if you do unlock your iPhone. So you just have to keep that in mind. Now, what you have to do is, first of all, to begin, you will have to put your device in recovery mode. So first of all, power off your iPhone, and what you have to do is press the volume up and down or the side buttons or the home buttons together and connect it with a cable in order to go to recovery mode until you see this kind of screen over here. Now, depending upon your iPhone's model as well, this option is going to vary, so you can just look up online as to how you can put your iPhone into recovery mode depending upon the type of model you have. And after that, what you have to do is connect your iPhone to your computer and then open up iTunes. When your device is connected, first restart it by holding down all three buttons as well. Now, you'll then be met with an option to restore or update. Select restore. Your iPhone will then download the software for your device, and when the downloading process has finished, you can set up and use your device. There are also alternative method to reset your passcode using iTunes. As I said, wait for iTunes to actually sync your device and make a backup. When the sync and backup are complete, click the option called restore iPhone or relevant device. Now, what you have to do is select your device and pick the most relevant backup according to date inside, and in the process of restoring your iOS device, you'll reach the setup screen. Here you have to simply select the option called restore from iTunes backup. Now, alternatively, you can also factory reset by remotely using iCloud. If you don't have your phone with you but it's still connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data, you can perform the reset remotely. This method will also work if you cannot access the phone even if it's with you. The only reason this won't work is if you have two-factor authentication set up and can't receive the code to your phone number on file on another Apple device. So log into iCloud and then find the option called Find My iPhone. Then click on the device that you want to reset, choose the iPhone, and then select the option called erase iPhone. And as long as your device has a stable internet connection, it will automatically erase all content and settings. Restart the phone, sign into your Apple ID and set it up. You can choose to restore it from iCloud or set it up as brand new device. That's all it takes to unlock your iPhone if you forgot password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.